high-protein vegetables and how to eat more of them. It's important to include healthy sources of protein in your diet each day. Protein helps your body with a number of important functions and helps you maintain muscle mass. When you think of protein, steak or chicken might come to mind. But if you are not a big meat eater, you have other options to make sure you get the recommended amount of protein that your body needs. Worry not, because there are plenty of protein-rich vegetables available year-round. Try out these options for plenty of variety. You can enjoy each of them alone as a side dish, or in different recipes for a filling main course. Keep in mind that the protein content may change depending on how you prepare each vegetable. The values below match the cooking method indicated for each food. 1 edamame. Total protein, 18.46 grams per cup, prepared from frozen. If you normally only eat edamame at your local sushi restaurant, it's time to start enjoying it at home. It's packed with healthy plant protein, vitamins, and minerals. 2 lentils. Total protein, 17.86 grams per cup, boiled. Lentils are not technically a vegetable, they are actually a pulse found in the legume family. But you won't find a better option when it comes to an inexpensive, readily available vegetarian-friendly protein. Bonus, dry lentils cook up in only 15 minutes. 3 pinto beans. Total protein, 15.41 grams per cup, boiled from dried. Pinto beans are popular in Mexican cooking. They work well in burritos, as a salad topper, in soups and chilies, or just as a side. Try cooking dried pinto beans instead of using the canned type for even more health benefits. 4 chickpeas. Total protein, 14.53 grams per cup, boiled from dried. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a main ingredient in hummus. They have a subtle, nutty flavor that works well in a variety of dishes. Enjoy snacking on roasted chickpeas or using them as a staple in curries, soups, or vegetable bowls. 5 mung beans. Total protein, 14.18 grams per cup, boiled from dried. Mung beans are part of the legume family and offer plenty of protein per serving. They are also a good source of iron and fiber. 6 fava beans. Total protein, 12.92 grams per cup, boiled from dried. In their pods, fava beans look like edamame or green beans. Try adding these nutritious legumes to stews and salads or making them into a tasty dip. 7 lima beans. Total protein, 11.58 grams per cup, boiled. This little legume packs a nutritious punch with plenty of potassium, fiber, and iron. While some people don't like the taste, recipes like the ones below can help with that. 8 green peas. Total protein, 8.58 grams per cup, boiled. If you think green peas are mushy and unappetizing, you are not alone. But they are versatile and can be a delicious addition to many recipes. 9 quinoa. Total protein, 8.14 grams per cup, cooked. This popular health food is high in protein, fiber, antioxidants, and minerals. Quinoa cooks in just 15 minutes and is a great addition to salads, veggie burgers, pilaf, casseroles, and much more. 10 wild rice. Total protein, 6.54 grams per cup, cooked. Wild rice is not actually related to rice, but you can use it in many of the same dishes. Try this nutrient-rich grain in casseroles, soups, pilaf, stuffing, or on its own. 11 pistachios. Total protein, 5.97 grams per ounce, dry roasted. Shelling pistachios may be a challenge, but it's worth the effort. Pistachios are not only delicious by the handful, but are versatile enough to enjoy in baked goods, on top of salads, and as a coating for fish. 12 almonds. Total protein, 5.94 grams per ounce, dry roasted. Almonds are delicious and nutritious. They are a great source of protein, healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Get the most nutrients by eating almonds with the skin intact. 13 Brussels sprouts. Total protein, 5.64 grams per cup, boiled from frozen. If you hated Brussels sprouts as a kid, it might be time to try them again. They are delicious roasted, steamed, or even shredded in a salad. 14 chia seeds. Total protein, 4.69 grams per ounce, dried. These tiny black seeds have earned their superfood status. Even a small amount has a ton of protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and other nutrients. Chia seed pudding is a popular choice, but do not be afraid to try out these seeds in other dishes. 15 yellow sweet corn. Total protein, 4.68 grams per 1 large ear, raw. Sweet corn is as nutritious as it is tasty. Look for fresh corn in the summertime, or use the frozen version for recipes year-round. 16 potatoes. Total protein, 4.55 grams per 1 medium potato, baked, with skin. The trusty spud gets a bad rap. It's actually packed with protein and vitamin C and B6. Try russet or red potatoes for an even greater protein boost. Extra points if you eat the skin. 17 asparagus. Total protein, 4.32 grams per cup, boiled. Nothing says springtime like fresh asparagus. Try these yummy spears roasted, grilled, or steamed. You can even wrap them in bacon for a protein-filled treat. 18 broccoli. Total protein, 4.28 grams per 1 stalk, boiled, medium. There is a reason your parents always told you to eat your little green trees. In addition to protein, broccoli offers filling fiber, vitamins K and C, and more. Do not forget to eat the stalk. 19 avocado. Total protein, 4.02 grams per 1 avocado, medium. You can do a lot more with an avocado than just make guacamole. Try it in a pudding or smoothie for a creamy, thick, and protein-filled twist.